later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. The National Weather New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, East Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northeast Philadelphia, or 9 miles northeast of Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Jenkintown, Bordentown, Beverly, Rockledge, Tullatown, Abington, Langhorne, and Pemberton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 341 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 29 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 42 and 61. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.